What is PCOS? PCOS is basically. Hello. So my name is Dr. Anchal, and today we're gonna talk about PCOS, which is a very common problem in today's world. Not just in India, in fact worldwide, and in fact every 1 out of 4 to 5 women have PCOS. Women with the reproductive age are having this problem, which is very common, and it's really shocking how common it is. What is PCOS? PCOS is basically a hormonal and metabolic disorder in which there is anovulation and high androgen levels in the body, which causes hirsutism, irregular periods, infertility issues. Even my friends are struggling with PCOS. 3 of my friends have PCOS. So today I'm going to share their story, how they are dealing with PCOS, and how I have been seeing patients with PCOS during my postings and during my internship. I have seen many patients who are struggling with PCOS, and people usually have this myth that only girls who are overweight they can have PCOS. People think that way, but shockingly that's not true. That's not entirely true. So let's talk about my 3 friends. My first friend who have PCOS, and she was 21 years old when she got diagnosed with PCOS by her gynec, and she was overweight that time. She was around 78 kgs. Till then she has lost around 8 to 10 kgs, and now she's quite in a good place after losing weight. She managed her condition with losing weight, and she's doing quite good now. And my second friend, who is also overweight, she is struggling with her weight loss journey, and she is currently on medication. That's how she is quite struggling with it right now, honestly. And my third friend, surprisingly, who is underweight. Yes, you heard it right. She's underweight. She does not have weight gain issues, but she is underweight and still she has PCOS. She was 18 years old when she got diagnosed with PCOS, and she's also on medication, and she's doing fine after taking medication. What is the conclusion? बेसिकली हर किसी का जर्नी इसमें अलग होता है. हर किसी की जर्नी अलग है. किसी को क्या चीज़ सूट करती है, किसी को क्या चीज़ सूट करती है, तो ये सबके लिए अलग है. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर एक इंसान के लिए एक चीज़ वर्क कर रही है तो दूसरे के लिए भी वही वर्क करेगी. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. We have to discover, we have to figure out ki what works for you, what doesn't work for you, right? Like for example, my first friend, लेट्स टेक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ माई फर्स्ट फ्रेंड, जिसको सिर्फ वेट लॉस से ही उसकी कंडीशन कंट्रोल में हो गई. वेट लॉस से ही उसने काफ़ी कंट्रोल किया है. और जो मेरी सेकेंड एंड थर्ड फ्रेंड्स हैं उनका अलग इशू है, वो मेडिकेशन पे हैं, एंड दैट्स हाउ दे आर डीलिंग विद इट. माई सेकेंड फ्रेंड इज स्टिल स्ट्रगलिंग, एंड माई थर्ड फ्रेंड इज गुड विद मेडिकेशन. Though my second friend is with medication also, she is struggling. So that's what I'm saying. I mean, हर किसी की जर्नी इसमें अलग है. कुछ नहीं कह सकते कि अगर एक बंदे के लिए ये चीज़ वर्क कर रही है तो दूसरे के लिए वो करेगी कि नहीं. बट या वो जो फर्स्ट लाइन ट्रीटमेंट है वो इसका यही है कि डाइट मैनेजमेंट एंड वेट लॉस. इफ़ यू आर ओवर वेट, देन फर्स्ट लाइन मैनेजमेंट इज़ फॉर श्योर डाइटरी चेंजेस, लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस एंड वेट लॉस. बहुत लोगों के लिए ये चीज़ वर्क करती है. सो दैट्स द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, दैट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग जिस पे तुम्हें वर्क करना चाहिए. एंड रही बात मेडिकेशंस की, अगर तुम्हारे लिए वेट लॉस भी वर्क नहीं कर रहा है या फिर तुम अंडर वेट हो, तुम्हारे वेट इश्यूज़ भी नहीं हैं, तो यू कैन कंसिडर मेडिकेशन आफ्टर कंसल्टिंग विद योर डॉक्टर. सो या, दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो.